friends, welcome back to my memories channel, and today we are gonna make an origami bird. So I took an A4 sheet. You can take any color and you can take A4 size sheet or anything. So let's get started. First we should make this into a box. Take this edge and leave it over there. Make it into a square and tear the other half like this, and the rest fold it and then fold it properly. Now tear that part. So then if we open, we get a square. And then now fold it like this. We get, if we fold it like this, we get a triangle. Open it. Do same to the other side. And open it. So we get it like this. And now fold it into a triangle. Then another triangle. So we get a small triangle. We get it like this. And we can find these gaps and then fold it like this. So we get it like this. Do the same to the other side. So totally we get it like this. This side open square and this close. And now take this part and fold it like this. Then we get it like this. Don't care about the back part. For now, first do this, and the opposite side also the same. Be careful that it should not, tear. And do it till the lion we get. The opposite side also the same, still the lion. Do the same what you did. The opposite side. Now totally we get it like this. I think you can see it. And now the top part you fold it down. So we get it like this. And then open it and flip it and do the same. Do it So again open it, then open, wait, do this like, wait, open it, we should open it the back part, so again we get like this. And now this gap, we can see some lines. Remember to hold it like this. So now let's do, fold it into half, so we get it like some vampire's home, like this, like this. Do the opposite also the same, the same. Be careful, do not let it tear. Now we get it like this. So now after we get it like this, take this part, and do it like this and hold it and do the same like this. So we get it totally like this, and we are no use with the flaps, we can use it afterwards. And slowly push this down, we get it like this, the same to the opposite. And now take this edge and fold it, we can get the bird's head and the tail, head, and the flaps. Now do it like this, see, like this. So now fold it like this, or if you want you can fold or not fold, and then the same at the back side. If you want to fold it, you may fold, and we get the bird flap and the flap. Thank you friends, please like, share, subscribe for more videos. Bye.